Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to stop Discord from opening up on your desktop right after you turn on the device. So let's start. First, open your Discord application. Go to user settings, which you can find here, and click on it. Once user setting is up, scroll down until you see Windows settings. Click on that. So what you need to do if you don't want Discord to automatically open Computer Startup is to make sure that this section Open Discord is disabled. As a result, you'll have to manually launch Discord anytime you want to see it. After that, close the settings. But if you're still facing the problem after turning off the feature, go to search bar and search for Task Manager and click on it. Here, click this button to see all the startup apps. Find Discord in the list and right-click on it and hit Disable. So that's it for our video. If you wanted to know how to stop Discord from opening on desktop startup, that is the easiest way I know how. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, kindly give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much and see you on our next video.